Hi everybody. In preparation for Thursday or Friday's class meeting, where you will have either myself on Thursday or Miss McCrary on Friday, I am going to assign you this poem by Amanda Gorman. This is what Miss Gorman read at the inauguration, and everybody should have a copy of this in Google Classroom. So when we meet on Thursday or Friday, we are going to start by discussing this poem. You should be prepared to answer questions in class. You should also be prepared for a cold calling. The teacher might just say your name at random and expect you to be able to discuss your opinions on this poem. So please make sure you take about 5 minutes to read and annotate this poem. So the directions say to read the poem and highlight at least 2 lines in the poem that resonate with you, just 2 things that stand out. You may have noticed the rhyme scheme or some kind of interesting figurative language. It might just be something that you thought was beautiful and you just liked it for whatever reason. So you are going to read this poem. I also will put the link in Google Classroom for you to watch Miss Gorman present the poem if you would rather do it that way, but definitely make sure that you've highlighted a few lines that stand out to you in case the teacher calls on you. I'm going to start just reading a little bit and show you how you'll do this. When day comes, we ask ourselves, where can we find light in this never-ending shade? The loss we carry, a sea we must wade. We've braved the belly of the beast. We've learned that quiet isn't always peace, and the norms and notions of what just is isn't always justice. I thought that part was really beautiful, so I am going to highlight this. And I'm going to go up here and click the highlighter, pick my color. I'm just going to do yellow. I like her play on words right there. I like how she had just is, things that, you know, the laws and rules that, and just the way that the world just is, things that we don't even think about. It's just like that. Those are not always just systems. Just because we get used to things and it becomes the norm does not make sure it's the right thing. So that's why I picked that, because I like her play on words. So please, again, just make sure you've read the entire poem. It's not that long. I did make it size 15 font, so that's why it is 3 or 4 pages. Highlight 2 or 3 things that stand out to you and look for an alternative link for you to join on Thursday or Friday as we are in larger groups. See you then.